Scale of 1 to 10. How much do y'all think these niggas hate me? Look at the view though. Oh my God. YouTube, we out here right now, man. And as y'all can see, it's raining right now. I don't want to be out here making a long ass intro. Let's make a long story short. Sydney got my hat clip at her job, so I gotta run and go grab my hat clip. I'm just showing y'all boys around the car real quick. See what I'm saying? It's raining and shit, and I don't got too much time left. Listen to that idle. See what I'm saying? If y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop that like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 10K subs right now. Let's just hop in here and give y'all boys what y'all want to see, man. Yo, it's so wet right now. Pause. Yo, it's so wet right now. Even my door is getting wet. Hey man, y'all boys gotta bear with me, man. I don't got my hat clip right now. I'm on my way to go pick up my hat clip right now. So, y'all boys know what it is, man. Sound hella windy right now, I don't know why. Hey bro, when I get my hat clip, y'all boys gonna see the best angle, bro. What? Crazy downshifts? Listen. I ain't even downshift right there, listen. That's a downshift. One buck, right? That shit will get up, nigga. After I get my hat clip, then I put the hat. Oh, I gotta make sure I got my hat, bro. I be tweaking. When I put on this hat clip, man, I already know what time it is, bro. We just gonna give y'all boys some POVs.
Hi.
We get off soon, bro. Should I wait?
20 minutes.
6:35. Should I go through town before you?
Yeah. So
and then meet you here? These downshifts gonna be crazy. If I don't drive and make crazy sound like this for y'all, who else gonna do it, chat? Who else, man? I also don't want to disturb the peace, you know what I'm saying? It's 6:42 right now, and Sydney get out at 7, so. Y'all see how dark this shit got up here? Bumbleclad. Scale of 1 to 10. How much? I can't even talk, bro. These shifts are so satisfying, bro. Oh my God. Scale of 1 to 10. How much do y'all think these niggas hate me? I'm not gonna lie though, I really don't care. Look at the view though. Oh my God. Let me see my POV fucking up, cause I'm always fucking some shit up. If y'all think y'all gonna be seeing Bimmers like B58s and M3 comps and shit like that around here, y'all should just change y'all mind, bro. Y'all would never see none of that shit. Like I'm saying, bro, I'm probably the only one in this town with this car, like legit. And I wasn't playing. But it's a beautiful town though, bro, overall. Not every state gonna be like Cali and New York and shit. Just gotta work with what I got right now. And honestly, it's not too bad. Did y'all hear that intake though? What the fuck? I used to live right down this strip, chat. I won't show y'all, but I used to live right down this street. Y'all wanna hear some launch control? That diff is spamming, bro. That shit wanna go. Yo, what time is it right now? I got 10 minutes to cruise around town. Where should I go? I'm not even gonna go down there, bro. It ain't shit to see down there. I'll probably cruise back down the ship, see what Sydney doing. I'll probably tell Sydney meet me somewhere right now, cause I know they doing road work down here. And I'm not trying to be stuck in traffic right now. Yo, them shifts just sound amazing, man. As y'all can see, man, this shit just getting darker and darker. But if y'all boys enjoying the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. This really what it's like to drive a B58 in the rain, bro. Even though I wasn't doing nothing crazy. So we on the way to the crib now, chat. Hope y'all. So we on the way to the crib now, chat. Hope y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man. Dig what I'm saying? I really don't know what the fuck to say to y'all boys, man. Yo, why Sydney on my bumper, chat? I lost traction like a motherfucker right there. Hey man, if y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'm almost at the crib right now, so I'm not giving y'all a dig in this rain, bro. I'm losing traction already. I see Sydney on bumper, bro. Let's see how much she could keep up. When I drive, I be thinking about how other people feel, you know what I'm saying? That's why sometimes I be taking my time, because I know I know how loud these cars could get, and I know how loud the Burbos could get. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't trying to make it bad for myself where everybody just hates me. Feel what I'm saying? If y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man, drop that like, comment, subscribe. We finna end the vlog off right here. We out.